Nicole here, half of Nicole and Bob, but today we are going to be decorating our new RV. So let's do it. Right, so the RV has been purchased and now it needs to get decorated. I mean, we need to make this thing homey, cozy, ready for camping. So let's decorate the RV. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a before and then an after. And of course a little during as well. Okay, we've got some hooks. These are gonna come in handy for so many things. We've got our solar power bank. Obviously, we're both gonna be working on the road, so we need battery, and this is gonna be a solar power battery, and it comes with like 3 different little connections: iPhone, USB, and Type-C. So we'll be good. To charge up our devices. See, what is this? These are solar string lights, and I'm actually really excited to test these out and make sure that they work. We've got some artwork for the walls here. Yeah, we need to make this homey. I think the color scheme I'm gonna go with is blue, light blue with the gray. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice. Since I'm a content creator, I bought this backdrop that looks like a bookcase in case I need to do like a living room scene. And okay, then I've got my desk here. This is a C desk and it's white and super cute, and this I'm gonna use as like a mobile workstation if I'm laying in bed, or if I need to do work outside, and if I need to do any content creating outside, such as like an unboxing, or I need to make it like a desk office scene. This is gonna be like a multi-use desk. Then okay, we've got our shoe rack that I'm actually gonna use as kitchen storage. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm going to put all of our like pantry stuff on there because this camper doesn't have that much storage. We basically just have up there for our dishes, and we have those 2 drawers right there, and I mean that's it for the kitchen. So we need some more storage, so that's going to be really helpful for that. And lastly, oh, a stool. I got a stool to go with my desk, so let's get it set up. I still need to get bedding, obviously, a mattress topper, and all the sheets and the cute stuff over here. And yeah, let's just make some progress though. Let's do this. Okay,
all
here,
the
baby.
screws on this.
They really did.
I mean, you could, yeah, you would have to like look at it, how big it is. You'd have to like drill it out almost to get it to come out.
Here, could you hold this first like this, and
looks good that way.
yeah, let's see how it is diamond.
The diamond.
Let's see what the diamond's like. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, let me see square. Let me see diamond. Nice. Now go diamond one more time. Alright, so the first round of decorating is done. We got some pictures up on the wall. We got our little mobile desk set up so that when we are sitting on the bed, we can have a second desk and workstation in addition to the table. We got some more artwork up on the wall. And last but not least, we got our little nightstand slash pantry shelves, which are gonna come in handy in the kitchen. And I also got my little teakwood utensils put up. So I'm pretty proud of the progress so far, and we'll keep you updated. Obviously we have a lot more to get, like our bedding and just little like pillows and things to make it more cozy in here. But I'm so happy with the results from today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.